Heading into Quebrada de Cordova, a nice patch of remnant forest. I believe Matorral here, not far from the coast. Already got striped woodpecker. We might luck out and get a Demers wiretail. We'll go see what we find. This is close, but non-viewable. Sound is stumping us all. Successful visit to Quebrada de Cordova. We had white-throated tapaculo, dusky tapaculo, nice looks at yellow-billed teal, and Plumbeous rail. Gotta remember which rail we're looking at. Many fire crowns, and a brief look at a Demers wiretail, which only I had. I'm lucky.